Hi and good day everyone. I'm Pavitran here. So in this video I'm going to share regarding my project, which is the development of Smart Security Card app to representing the UTM AI Innovation Challenge. This project developed using 3 AI techniques such as face verification, license plate recognition and driving license recognition. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the objective. There are several problems found in the current security card post, such as the security card unable to recognize the driver because there will be a lot of driver is passing through by security post in a day, and they will also be tired to insert every driver information into their system by manually, which can miss information being keyed into the system. By analyzing the problem, it is possible to improve the current security card post by analyzing the driver face to fetch their details from the database. Besides that, recognizing the information on the driving license and vehicle license plate. This objective makes the security guard life easier to track the drivers. The uniqueness of this project is come out about 3 artificial intelligence technology, which are face verification, where it is comparing the real-time driver face image with the image registered in the database. Furthermore, vehicle license plate recognition will locate the actual position of a license plate on a vehicle, then undergo text recognition to extract the character which occur in a license plate. Finally, driving license recognition will undergo image processing, which will crop a region of interest, and it also undergo text recognition using Tesseract OCR technology. The performance of the AI technology which proposed in this paper is working very well with a high level of accuracy. This project able to reduce the workload of a security guard, and it can also avoid the vehicle to make a long queue in front of a security post to complete the verification process. This project is an initial step to improve the security guard ecosystem, where in the future the proposed AI technique can be integrated on the IoT devices as an improvement version. This project has a high potential to commercialize because the artificial intelligence included into the system can improve tracking, data organized, and monitoring of suspicious activities. This method will be benefit for the security guard ecosystem and will help a country develop towards Industry 4.0. In this demonstration, I will show the implementation of artificial intelligence on the actual system. Since there are many pages involved in the system, so I plan to demo some of it. This driving license recognition occurs during the registration phase, where the driver itself will upload their driving license to extract information to be saved into the database. There was an API involved in the system to communicate between the front end, Flutter, and the back end, Flask. The data of the driving license and its image will be stored in the database. The next 2 examples will be involved on the vehicle in process. On the face verification, security guard will capture driver real-time image, and the system will communicate with the Flask server to verify whether the driver exists in the database or not. On the license plate recognition, security guard will capture the vehicle image, and the Flask server will locate the license plate location to extract the information that will be stored in the database. The future development for this work will be introduce an analytic dashboard which enables the security guard to analyze the frequently vehicle that always visit the residential area and notify the driver which remain in the residential area for extended period of time, and track the suspicious activities. Besides that, there will also a geolocation feature track the driver real-time location. That's all from me. Thank you.